Presenting OPPO F21 Pro smartphone in Sunset Orange. It comes in a size of 16 into 7.3 into 0.7 centimeters and weighs 175 grams. It is also available in Cosmic Black. The phone comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage that is expandable to 1 TB. The smartphone features a dual SIM and micro SD card slot. The 6.43 inches FHD Plus AMOLED punch-hole display comes with a resolution of 2400 into 1080 pixels, refresh rate of 90 Hz and touch sampling rate of 180 Hz. It also features a fingerprint sensor. It is equipped with 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras with micro lens and 32 megapixel front camera with flagship Sony IMX709 sensor and runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 6nm octa-core processor with Android 11. The 4500 mAh battery comes with 33-watt Super VOOC charging, giving 2.68 hours of talk time with every 5 minutes of charge. The box includes the smartphone, SIM tray ejector and adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.